I've got my little buddy Archie here, looking like quite the ragamuffin. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we've got a lot going on. Mark and I are gonna head to the Italian market and pick up some things. And then we have to head to the bakery and get some yummy Italian bread. I have to go to the flower coop again today and get my fresh flowers for the week. But we have our friends coming over, Jim and Joanne, and we've been wanting to get to have them come here actually for dinner ever since we were in St. John's. So Mark and I are gonna make a yummy dinner. We're gonna watch the Kentucky Derby later. But today, even though it's gonna be maybe a chance of some rain, we're gonna finally get the garden beds put together as far as the dirt and put all my plants in there. So Joanne loves to garden. She's like, I can help you, you know, because I'm like, I don't know, like, do peppers go with lettuce? Like, I read so much, I just don't want to mess it up. So she's gonna help me just, you know, so I know which ones go into what bed. So she's gonna help me with that. And it's just gonna be a fun day today. I can't even talk. I'm gonna look like probably a ragamuffin myself because it's going to be gross out today. So, but it's going to be fun, right? All right. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Okay. All right. I'll check back in here in a little. Okay, here we are back at Fodor's for my weekly flowers. Let's see what they've got today. There's one left. So it looks like I'm going to get my hands on of this one. And I'm going to grab one for our friends that are coming in today. And then maybe one more. Okay, so we are home. Let me share with you what's on the menu today. Okay, so we got some, I love these delicious crackers here. And olives, of course. You have to have olives when you when we entertain in our family. Some little bruschettas and some cheeses and super sod and some pepperoni. So a little appetizer. With dinner, we're going to have a caprese salad, but also with some watermelon. For dinner, we're going to have, if I'm saying this right, cacio di pepe. So, of course, that's going to be fresh pasta, pecorino romano cheese, and cracked black peppercorn, a little olive oil. It's so delicious. We're also going to have a side dish of turkey sausage and some peppers and onions. So that is what's on the menu. And then for dessert, oh yes, I forgot. We're also going to cut this up. This is a banana pepper kind of flatbread. We're going to cut this up too. I got some yummy Italian bread from our local bakery. And then for dessert, we're going to share these. Oh no, they melted in the car. Oh my gosh, they melted a little bit in the car. I got to get these in the fridge. But these are little fruit tarts. Oh my goodness, I got to get these in the fridge ASAP. And of course, we're going to have mint juleps. We got the Woodford Reserve. And they suggested maybe trying this mint julep cocktail syrup. I don't know. And of course, I got some fresh mint from the garden. And so these should be delicious. About the background noise, Mark is being so sweet. He's vacuuming for me. But these are the fresh flowers that I picked up. And I'm going to go ahead and get these into vases. I'm going to give one of these to our friends. Well, friends, we got everything all set up for our friends to come in today. Got my beautiful fresh flowers in the water. Mark has been a huge help. We've got the charcuterie board all put together. I'm going to get the caprese salad put together here soon. And then also Mark right now is grilling some turkey hot sausage, peppers and onions. And then I'm going to just to make it a little bit of brown on the outside. And then we're going to let it continue to cook in the oven. So that way, that's one thing we don't have to worry about. But also, I did share what our meal was going to be. So right now I'm filling out my book that I shared with all of you, the menus book. with today's menu and of course our guests. And then again, I'm gonna have them write something in the book tonight. I'm really looking so forward to this. These friends are so dear to us and we have so much fun with them all the time. We travel with them a lot. And so we've been really excited to, get together. We were gonna have another couple come too, but they couldn't. So that's why we wanted to make it a really fun dinner, and also watching the Kentucky Derby and throwing some little gardening in there too, because it just, we're just gonna have so much fun. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fill out my menu book and get that all ready to go. And then pretty soon here, we're going to get the chart. Oh, we have that. We're going to get the caprese salad ready because I really don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen while they're here. I just want to have more fun and enjoy time with them. And so I like to prep things ahead of time. Also, Mark and I found a really cool kind of a station that we have LEXA playing just to give us that kind of fun, kind of jazzy spring afternoon vibe. So music is so important. I always tell friends, you're my friends, that when you entertain, it's so important to have some kind of really soft music on when people come in the house. You don't want it to be so quiet where it's uncomfortable. So I always love to have the ambiance of music and something smelling pretty and fresh flowers and all of that. So all of that comes together. So I'm gonna put everything in my book, get this all done, and then we're gonna go ahead over to start the caprese salad. The sausage is off the grill. You can just see it's slightly browned. Just topped it with some peppers and onions, a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna put in the oven at a low temperature and just let it cook for a while. I just love when it's just basically falls apart, just super easy to just cut with a fork, and the flavor of the onions and the peppers. Good morning, friends. It is official. Today is my plant the garden bed day today. It rained all day yesterday, basically all day yesterday when our friends were here. So we just really enjoyed a lovely afternoon. We had the charcuterie board. The dinner was fabulous. We watched the Kentucky Derby, which was so much fun, and just hung out for a little bit. And I sort of showed them what I had plants-wise and seeds-wise, and she actually brought me some of her favorite seeds, which was fantastic. And I told her what my vision was for what I wanted in the beds. And thank goodness I asked her, because I was going to put things that shouldn't go together. I mean, I would have really messed up, so I'm glad I asked her for her advice. And then we just sort of talked about some kind of flowers. I told her I want like some really pretty flowers, and I've got some seeds, and is it too late to put them in? Am I good? She's like, no, put them in. So anyway, my head was spinning with so many ideas yesterday, and then doing some research last night. So what I did is I went on to my lovely Canva, and I decided to make up little sheets. You know how I love to have my vision boards. I need those. So this is the vision board that I came up with for back here for my raised garden beds. So I want to work on this first today, and then in front of our patio here we've got more beds. We've got let me see, 2 boxwoods and a couple hydrangea, but nothing else. And I'm gonna fill that with just plethora of color. And so anyway, I have seeds. I have the zinnias, and I had purchased some other seeds, hoping they would work, and I had to buy maybe a couple plants yet. So that's sort of, I got an idea of what I'm going to be doing back there, right here. And then let me see, sort of threw this out, and she had a really good suggestion to take what I have over here out and move it, and then use this area as an herb garden, which I would have never have thought to do. Never. So I'm so excited. So I went on Canva, made all these, and then since it's such a poopy day, and I'm going to be using these for reference Thank gosh I had some page protectors, and I put them in some page protectors. So anyway, I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait. I literally woke up at 1:30 yesterday, last night in the middle of the night, literally for 2 hours. I'm like, I feel like a kid at Christmas. I could not wait to get out here. So of course, I'm all set here. I got my gardening outfit on. Nothing fancy whatsoever. I always just am in awe of those beautiful gardeners that dress so nice as they're planting. I'm like, what? There is no way, especially because it's rainy today. But baseball cap, sunglasses, rain jacket, my little wellies on, and of course a little gloss because, well, every girl needs a little gloss all throughout the day because I do. I love it. And so, okay, we got to protect the lips, right? Okay, I want to get started. Mark helped me put the dirt in the raised garden beds because those bags were so heavy. All right, I'm going to get my gloves on. Let's get planting. Okay, friends, well, it started raining, so I wanted to just get this done. So, okay, let me tell you what I got going on here. I got some lettuce, some cucumber seeds down in here, some different kind of cucumber plants here, and again, some more lettuce. I've got my basil, a couple kinds of basil and tomato plants, and this big one. This was a pain in the butt because I really wanted to put it in the bed, and I already had like the, not trellis, I guess. Yeah, the trellis around it. And so this was a little hard to do. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully we'll be okay. And here I've got my hot peppers, and then along the side of the hot peppers, I've got some arugula and some more lettuce seeds around here. So we will see. This is a live and learn, so as you can see, I've got more over here. I'm gonna put some stuff in pots. Oh yes, I forgot to show you. I did bring my little coffee, garden coffee mug out today. My little DIY is still going strong today because I think the rain has been filling out the little inside planter. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give these all a nice little watering, and I'm gonna see maybe what else I can put into some pots. These are looking good. We're going to put the peony right here. Mark's gonna do that like probably tomorrow. So much to do, but this is just the start, and I'm having the best time even in the rain. Okay, we have our neighbor's dog and Archie are having a little communication this morning. Okay, so I got more pots planted because I'm not going to leave anything without having a home. So again, this is all done here. More peppers and lettuce. Oh, let me see. What is this called? Our friends brought this for me. It's called phlox, maybe. Am I saying it wrong? Anyway, let me show you. So I planted them along here. So these will be so pretty we're gonna really spread and come up over the stones. So I just randomly planted those. And all these little spots here. So I'm cleaning all this out. There's gonna be a lot going in here yet. It's all starting to come together over here, friends. It really is. My dirt, and this is all going to be filling in. You just wait and see how pretty this is going to look. All right, friends, I just showered, so I will flip the camera around here in a minute. So this is what has to be planted yet. Oh, did I show you this? My little strawberries. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Okay, so my fountain's still just having fun here. Did I share this already? I can't remember. Anyway, everything's nice and cleaned up now, which is great. So more peppers, lettuce, some of my little seedlings that germinated. I just planted them even though they were so teeny. I don't know. Maybe they'll do something. We did have to put a couple more things up to keep my tomato plant up. So there's some seeds in these bins. I think I shared with you before. The flowers that we planted. Last week, we're gonna get our down over right. Can you see? Let me see. Where's the camera? Right there is my peony. That's gonna be, whoopsie, sorry. That's gonna be planted this in like a couple days. So all my dirt, everything, a long way to go yet. I just want us to have weather where it's not gonna have rain in the forecast, and it looks like, unfortunately, we got rain every day coming out. But look, this is starting to fill in so beautifully. Just wait until all this fills in. And it's truly, truly magical. I just love it. And wait till you see what I'm gonna do down here yet. Can't wait. Well, friends, like I said, I'm showered and all cleaned up. I was a muddy mess, but I'm so glad I got up early. I was out there by probably 8 o'clock and finished around noonish. Mark made us a delicious late breakfast. And so now I'm going to end this video and then start a new one for all of you, because Aunt Missy's gonna come over here in a little bit, and we're going to make some things for one of our friends' daughter's weddings that is next weekend. And then we're gonna have the moms here for Sunday supper club, and we're gonna have some pasta, some pesto, and some salad, and this is gonna be so delicious. So I'm going to end this and start a new video. So I love you all so much. Don't forget to please sign up for my newsletter. You guys are really liking it. I'm getting such positive feedback. All my other things, my like to know at my Amazon, so I can continue to share all the things that I'm loving, and some great sales that are coming up as well. And make sure you stay tuned right here for this week's emoji and word. Love you guys. Don't forget, comment. I love when you comment. I love our community. It's been so wonderful just seeing these new names and people that haven't commented before, and getting to know you and the conversation that's going on. It's just so wonderful, and I am loving it. So love you all, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye. All right, Archie's barking. My outfit for tonight, this beautiful dress I got in Positano, these shoes, and my Celine bag. And then my favorite Chanel lippy, which I'm loving. And then Archie's toys everywhere here. Hello, hello. Familiar face. You guys been dying to see Lauren. Lauren, how have you been?
I've been doing really well, thank you. I miss all of you guys. I hope you guys are all doing good, having a great spring. Maybe lots of plans this summer, but enjoy.
And actually, and I'm going, I'm going to show you my husband. Excuse me. But anyway, yeah, our husbands are trying to get us to order, but I wanted to get Miss Lauren on here, but this summer we'll have a lot of stuff going on, fun things, so I'll be sure to put her on so you guys can all see her beautiful face. Say hi.
Love you guys.
Miss you.